Craving something tasty? We've got just the thing. Welcome to Culinary Recipe Creations, your go-to spot for quick, easy, and mouth-watering recipes from around the globe. Discover dishes that are elegant yet affordable. Perfect for any occasion. Ready to whip up something amazing? Subscribe now and join our foodie family. Let's get cooking.
I'm sure you've heard the news. The best comfort food is made in a cast iron skillet. Let's make it happen with our skillet cornbread with bacon and cheese. Imagine biting into golden, crispy cornbread, bursting with smoky bacon and gooey cheese. This dish is Southern comfort at its finest. First, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. In a large bowl, mix together cornmeal, flour, sugar, and baking powder. Now fry up some bacon until crispy, then crumble it up. Add it to your batter along with shredded cheese. In your cast iron skillet, melt some butter and pour in the batter. Pop it in the oven and bake until it's golden brown and the house smells heavenly. When it's done, let it cool a bit before slicing and serving. This cornbread is perfect for family dinners or special gatherings. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more delicious Southern recipes. And if you try this, tag us on social media. We can't wait to see your creations. Enjoy, y'all!
This is gonna blow your mind. Don't miss out on the next yummy recipe. Hungry for more? Hit that subscribe button and join our Culinary Recipe Creations family. We've got an endless menu of delectable and delicious recipes just waiting for you. From appetizers to desserts, there's something for every foodie. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe now and let's get cooking.